Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good afternoon. I am Anirudh Bandal, third year diploma student from Zeal Polytechnic. My project guide are Omkar Vadne sir, subject teacher are Vijay Mohite sir, my group members are Pratik Deshpande, Phineas Mane, Rudra Marathe. Fake profiling. Fake profiling is a representation which does not truly exist in real life. That's called as fake profiling. It only exists on social network or any website nowadays. We all have social. We all are attached to social network. We all have social life, but we also face the main problem that is fake accounts, or we hear about that fake accounts or fake website nowadays. So that's what the case we have, that fake profile. The Facebook here researched or made a report in 2018 that 583 million accounts on Facebook are fake, and it's just a report of first quarter of 2018. It's not a whole 2018 years report. So we are here proposing a model which can classify fake and genuine account. This model is based on support vector system. This is especially a classification technique and can process a large number of data set. Now in present generation, we can connect on online networks to our friends or to our friends or to our relative, or we can make new friends through social network. We can also educate, we can also provide employment or get employment through social networks. Nowadays, in pandemic, in corona system, we also consider online classes, we also attend online classes. So social networks have a large effect on our day-to-day life. The employer can also use social networking to employ, the point I just said previously. Existing system or the old system. This system is less accurate and based on algorithm called Naive Bayes. Proposed system or the system which we are going to right now talk about. Now we need to understand the structure of the network or ultimate extracting useful information from them. We came up with a framework through which we can detect fake profile using machine learning algorithm so that the social life of a people becomes secure. Classification transform starts from selection of a profile. Once the profile is selected, the useful features are extracted for the purpose of classification. The extracted features are then fed to trained classifier, and classifier is trained regularly as a new data to fed. Classifier then determines the profile is fake or genuine. Then the result of the classification of algorithm is there. As the number of training data increases, the classifier becomes more and more accurate in predicting the profile is genuine or fake. Now the advantages of this system. The social networking sites are making our social life better, but nevertheless, there are also a lot of issues in our personal life. The issues are privacy and online bullying that most of the people can go through. If you are fat like me, you can go through online bullying. In this project, we came up to the framework which can actually which can actually concentrate on social life of a people, but the privacy is also hidden from it. Disadvantage, because of privacy issues on Facebook, data data set that we are getting is very limited, and a lot of details are not made public by Facebook. Now the system architecture. It starts from selecting the profile, then it extracts the attribute, then it passes it to the classifier, then it determines real or fake, then it gives the feedback, and then the classifier is trained according to the feedback. Now, what are the software and hardware requirement for this? We just need Windows 10 software, 4 GB RAM, Python software or Anaconda software. Now conclusion, what we came through, what is SVM? So SVM is an elegant and robust method for binary classification in a large data set. Regardless of non-linearly of the decision boundary, SVM is able to classify between the fake and genuine, but the accuracy is dependent or the accuracy is reasonable. This method can be used on any platform that needs just a binary classification to be deployed on public profile. The project uses only publicity available information. That means the information which is actually given by public, not hidden by Facebook. We just use that information to relocate or to examine the account. What future work is going in this system? Since we have limited data to train the classifier, our approach is facing high variance problem which can be observed in learning curve as follows. As high variance problem can usually be migrated. Thanks to Vijay Mohite sir and Omkar Vatne sir for giving this such a lovely subject. Thanks.